Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm back with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring Ywigs. Big thank you to Ywigs for sponsoring today's video. Now let's jump into this look. So today I have their pre-twisted human hair passion twist crochet hair. As you can see, my braid pattern is already down. I will link the short video that I have to a similar braid pattern if you are interested. We're gonna jump right into this install. So I have 5 packs of their pre-twisted passion twist hair. I love how lightweight this hair is. It's human hair, which means very low to no tension. So as you can see, I'm taking the crochet needle that came with my package. It provided a little gift bag that had everything I needed to complete this install. And I'm taking the crochet needle and I'm just sticking that through the base of my braid. Once I get it through the base of the braid, I attach that loop of my pre-twisted passion twist and then I pull it through. Once I pull it through, I take the actual twist and then I pull it through the loop, and that is how I secure it. 5 packs was more than enough to complete this entire look. I'm going to finish off with a very full natural look. I do take each twist and I loop it through the braid, as you see here, the base of the braid. But I also go back in throughout the install and fill in any areas that I feel can use more hair. Giving you some close-up shots of what this looks like. Once again, I push that crochet needle through the base, pull the crochet hair through, and then loop it through, and that is how I secure it. Depending on how long you want to wear this, you can double loop this, but for me, I'm always fine with one loop. That is secure enough. I love that this hair is very lightweight, so I can wear it in many different styles. I can throw it in a ponytail, I can throw it in a bun, I can wear it half up, half down. It is so lightweight, and that is definitely because it is human hair. So this hair does come in 3 different lengths. You can get this in 10, 12, or 14. And I will have all the links down in the description box in case you are interested. Also, any products used in this video will be in the description box as well, so be sure to check down below for all details. Some of you may be wondering why the front portion of my hair is not braided down into this braid pattern, but that is because I will be doing individual twists. I will be using these pre-twisted passion twists to do individuals in the front just for a more natural look. I actually picked this tip up from someone else here on YouTube. I'll be sure to link her video down in the description box, but that is why the front is left out. As you can see, I've moved on, and I tried to let you guys know how many packs I use throughout the video, just so you have an idea what it looks like with each pack. And I'm literally just repeating the same steps. So as you can see, this is pack number 2, and I'm just filling in where I feel like can use more hair. So I definitely wanted to look full, but not too full. So the more you fill in the hair, the less visible the pattern is. So I'm just going to continue to fill in boxes as I move on, and I'm going to show you what it looks like every angle. Now this is pack number 3, and we are just going to continue to crochet these in until I'm satisfied. Then I will jump back into the video when we get to the individuals in the front. So a few other things that I want to mention about this hair is you can reuse this hair as many times as you want. Being that this is human hair and it is a twist, you can untwist it, use it that way. If you don't want to use it as a pre-twist, still helps because it's pre-sectioned. So it saves you time instead of having to get hair in bulk and pull the hair apart. It's already separated for you. There's so many different things that you can use this hair for. So I love that it is very versatile and you can reuse it as many times as you need. So now I've gotten to the part where we are doing the individuals in the front. So as you can see, I'm just parting my hair and I'm lining these up with the boxes that I have in the back. I untwist the hair and then I use it and start a braid. Once I braid down about a 1/2 inch, I start to twist the hair to the very end. Then I'm gonna repeat that step and just part it off and twist it. I am using a little bit of edge control to swoop my edges so that they're neat, and that edge control will be linked in the description box as well. But once I'm done with this, I'm just going to show you a few different styles in which you can wear this hair. Of course, you can do basically anything with this because it is completely concealed, and I want you to see you can do a 1/2 up, 1/2 down, you can do a bun, you can do a ponytail, you can wear it completely out. There's so many different ways you can wear this hair, and I love the fact that it is so lightweight and versatile. So once again, big thank you to Ywigs for sponsoring today's video. All links to this pre-twist passion hair will be down below, and I will see you beauties in the next video. Bye.
give it the butterflies. Mesmerized, mesmerized by what you say to me. It matters 'cause you're more than my security. The fact is I get lost just when you look at me. You act in ways that drives me crazy. It's things that you do. You show up and prove I can be yours forever. And if I had to, I'd choose you. Don't let no one tell you otherwise. That's why I can give it back.